Welcome to Aryabat Center for Theoretical Physics. This is another video on this lecture series Mechanics 1, and this is the beginning of law of gravitation. And in this first lecture of this law of gravitation, I am going to explain this gravitational law. This law of gravitation was formulated by Isaac Newton, and he explained this beautifully in his book called Principia, which he wrote from 1684 to 1686, and you can purchase this book from Cambridge University, written by S. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Newton's Principia for the common reader. It is the excellent book for introduction of Newton's Principia, and he has written beautifully, and he has explained how Newton formulated his law of gravitation using only what he called geometry. So it is basically geometrical approach to formulate this law of gravitation, and Newton used Kepler's 3 laws to formulate this law of gravitation. And this law of gravitation tells about that every particle in this universe exert an attractive force on another particle, and force exerted by this force exerted by one particle to another is inversely proportional to square of the distance and directly proportional to product of the masses. So m1, m2, two mass, there are two masses, and distance between these two masses are r1, and force exerted by m1 to m2 is minus g m1 m2 divided by r12 square, and this is the unit vector from m1 to m2. Same way, force exerted by m2 to m1 will be F21 is equal to minus g m1 m2 divided by r21 square. R21, this is unit vector, and g is the universal constant, and it has the value 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. And according to Newton's third law, total force exerted on any mechanical system is 0 unless if there is no external force acting on it. It means F21 is equal to minus F12, or F12 plus F21 is equal to 0. It means force exerted by m1 to m2 will be equal to force exerted by m2 to m1. So this is the law of gravitation, and in upcoming video we will learn about how to calculate the gravitational force between two objects, as well as how to calculate gravitational potential, and also I will explain what you call orbit of the satellite revolving around our earth. So this is the some little of introduction of law of gravitation.